Bearing failure or rod knock has to be a canon event for car guys. Like, 1 minute you're driving, and the next, you hear that forbidden maraca, that ticking sound, and you know it's all over. For me, I was doing a pull in my Camaro, and I hear this weird slapping sound. Let me tell you, don't let your engine overheat. For the love of God, don't do it. And if you even think it's overheating or think your car is having any major, even minor problems, pull over. And lastly, keep up on that maintenance. It's really important.